everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie, if this is your first time here. So in anticipation of the highly anticipated Icy Park launch from Ivy Park on February 19th today, I decided I wanted to put together some looks shopping my closet inspired by Ivy Park and Icy Park, and also using affordable and more wearable pieces. Because let's be honest, Beyonce, who is wearing this outside on a regular day, especially during quarantine? Not me. And no one is trying to spend just $100 on a random pair of leggings that I'm not gonna wear every day. Love you, Beyonce, love you, sweetie, but we're not gonna be doing that. And even outside of the cost, it's not the cheapest thing in the world and it's not the most expensive thing in the world. Even if you did want to spend the money on it, no one can ever get it. It is nearly impossible to get, am I right? You just wait at your little computer, the website crashes, it takes stuff out of your cart, you know, it's just a whole mess. But that doesn't mean that you cannot get a similar look using some of the things that you probably already have at home or things that you can kind of pick up for the low, and you can kind of get a similar look, a similar silhouette, you know, if you will. So we're gonna have fun. Keep in mind, my intention with this video is not to mimic the exact looks, but as I said, to give a similar silhouette, a similar vibe. Also, I wanted to use some of my own pieces, but in a more wearable color and a wearable style. As I touched on in the beginning of the video, it's kind of, some of the pieces are definitely kind of out there, and I'm like, I don't know if I'm just boring, but I'm not wearing that out on a regular day. And I do want to have some looks that I can kind of recycle and mix and match and, you know, wear more than one time. And you, of course, can make everything in this video customizable to you and what you have in your closet and what's to your liking, of course, and the colors and the styles and all that. And that is the fun part about fashion, which I love. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to begin by showing you some of the pieces that I've pulled from my closet and where they've come from and my accessories and all that kind of stuff. And then I'll show you the looks at the end. I'm also going to channel my inner Beyonce and show you some of the looks side by side. Well, of course, that would make sense. Since this is an Ivy Park inspired video. So I'm going to show myself and then probably put a picture of the look kind of right next to me, try to mimic some of her cute little poses. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I thought it would be super fun. I really hope it comes out good and people like it, but we'll see. Don't drag me too hard. I just thought it would be fun. Okay, so studying a lot of the looks, I took some time to like go through the Instagram, the We Are Ivy Park Instagram, go through Beyonce's Instagram, and a lot of the looks are kind of composed of a lot of the same element. And she just releases them in a lot of different colorways, slightly different silhouettes, slightly different cuts, that type of thing. So a lot of leggings, a lot of biker shorts, bum bags, you know, it's winter, so a lot of the puffers are coming in. What else? Hats, so she does a lot of bucket hats, kind of the typical Adidas aesthetic with the stripes down the side in a lot of her pieces. Bodysuits, of course, a lot of that. Sweats, hoodies, sports bras, and as I mentioned, all in a variety of colors and patterns. So a lot of the stuff you probably just have at home. You probably potentially haven't thought to style them in a particular way, but this is where I come in to help you out. Okay, so I'm gonna run through tops, bottoms, accessories, and then shoes. I'm gonna try to run through these as quickly as possible because I know you guys really don't care. You just wanna see the looks. I know, I understand. So I'm gonna run through them really quick because I know you're probably gonna ask. I'm gonna try to link as much stuff down below as possible. And I'm gonna run through tops, bottoms, accessories, and shoes. Okay, so the first, this is from Pretty Little Thing. It's a black vest that is belted. Then I got this cute little freaking top from Amazon. This is kind of to mimic some of the sports bras because I had a black bralette, but gosh, I don't know what happened to it. So anyway, this is gonna mimic some of that. Then I have this short sleeve top from Nasty Gal. Yes, this is backwards. From Nasty Gal. And I'm gonna use this in obviously a few of the looks as well that I saw on her Instagram. Black bra because she has a look that kind of a bustier type of similar look. So I'm going to try to mimic that. Another Pretty Little Thing. It's very similar to that vest. It is a kimono blazer. So this is in the color black because I'm boring and I'm just gonna do a lot of black, beige, and then white looks to kind of mimic the Icy Park kind of vibe they have going on. So Okay, moving right along. This is actually a pair of tights. I might use them as tights, but I did also cut this and make it into a shirt. So to mimic one of the looks that I saw on her Instagram, like a sheer type of top. It came out really good. So tights, but I'm gonna wear it as a top. Done. Let's get into the hoodies. So this is a beige hoodie from Target, and I also have it in black as well. So we use this for some of the looks. I have two white tops. I don't know if I'm gonna style it with a turtleneck or with the off the shoulder. So this is the off the shoulder version. This is from Pretty Little Thing as well, and it's a bodysuit. And then this is like a cream turtleneck from Target. More turtlenecks. This is from Pretty Little Thing also, bodysuit in black. And this is a beige one from Pretty Little Thing, also a bodysuit. I'm back. I'm so corny, oh my God. Okay, so I forgot outerwear. So this is a black blazer that I took from my husband's closet, and it's actually from H&M that I'll use for a look. And also another H&M find. I got this last season. It's a big kind of puffy teddy bear kind of coat, but in cream. So love this, and I'm gonna try to incorporate that. Moving right along to bottoms. I have this cute little skirt. In her line, she has a lot of looks with a skirt similar to this. Of course, it looks different, but it's a similar style. So actually, I thrifted this. I don't even know what the tag says, but I thrifted it. If I can, I'll try to link something similar down below. All right, biker shorts from Pretty Little Thing. These are like the slinky kind, so they're not cotton. And I have these in black as well as beige. And these are the tall version because homegirl has some thick thighs, so I need the tall version to kind of cover me on the thighs. Even though I'm not tall, I'm petite. So pro tip for the thick thighs out there. Leggings. These are Old Navy. I featured these in my Old Navy activewear try-on haul. And the reason why I picked these is because they have a cute little sheer type of situation, and Beyonce loves the sheer. So I thought that these would work in some of the looks. These pants match that hoodie that I just showed. These are from Target, the Wild Fable line. And yeah, I'll link them down below. Okay. These jeans, also from Target. These are universal thread. They're white. They are wrinkled. So again, don't judge me. We just having fun in quarantine. And this is for one of the looks that Hailey Bieber was wearing. And I hope that I can kind of make these work. But they're like cream colored jeans, as you can see. Okay, so we have some faux leather leggings. These are also from Target. These are A New Day. You can see I also get a lot of my stuff from Target. I love Target's clothes. So yeah, leather leggings. And Nasty Gal. So we have some flared bottom black pants that I'm gonna use in a very specific type of look and try to get it to look similar. Why do I keep saying that? Like, take a shot every single time I say look. My God, duh, we know why we're here. Okay, accessories. Target, making another comeback. Bum bags. We have black and we have beige. I actually featured this in my Target favorites video. I did that several months ago, but I got these around the summertime. A scarf. In the Icy Park line, Beyonce has a bunch of scarves. I actually got this scarf from Target, I think 3 years ago, a little over 2 years ago, and it's fire. I love it so much. So I'm definitely gonna put this in to one of the options. And then I have a hat, because she has a lot of bucket hats and I don't have bucket hats, but this is kind of the most similar one that I have. So Target also, like, come on now. Target, don't sleep on Target. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pop this into a look or two. So I'm not gonna focus too much on the shoes, but I will show a couple of pairs that I'm probably gonna pair with a lot of these. These sock booties from DSW, I will link them down below. A Christmas gift to myself, and they are the best and very affordable. And then these are just the tennis shoes that I have. The APL Techloom Breeze sneakers. Okay, and then in a lot of the looks, she also has some sunglasses, so I'm gonna wear two. The only sunglasses that look really good on me are aviators, so those are the only two pairs that I'm gonna show you. So these are for the beige looks. Can't get it on. Super cute. Oh my God, love these glasses so much. And you can see the ring light in here. But these are from Amazon and they were like $14. They are such a good dupe for the high key glasses from Amazon, and they were 15 bucks. So good, large, flat, love them, and affordable. So those are all the items, a quick run through where they're from. Like I said, I'll try to link as much stuff down below as possible, and let's have some fun. So this is look number 1. This is kind of similar to that Hailey Bieber, I'll put a picture here, look where she had like the white shirt, she had the white jeans, she had a white jacket, even though this is cream. Not sure how I feel about this because this part is like a lot lighter than this, at least in the lighting that I'm in. So I don't know if it's, I don't know. I think it still looks good and it still looks chic, but I don't know if it's giving me Ivy Park vibes. I don't know, y'all, but this is why you try stuff out. So anyway, y'all let me know, yay or nay. This is a look that I found on Miss Beyonce's Instagram, and she had these cute little sunglasses on, and she had her hair all cute, and she had this little pose. And I was like, okay, Miss Beyonce, she was super cute. So I like how this one came out a lot. Let me know what you think. Okay, so we have another skirt look, but her hoodie was like tight around the bottom. So I'm gonna tuck this under my bra so that it gives it a similar look. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. Inspired by the beige look. I have the wide leg pants on, cropped hoodie, and then I tucked the white, I don't know what those things are called, in. But yeah, this is really cute. I'm digging it. Really like this one a lot. So these are the bell-bottom pants with the blazer and then the bum bag in the front. As you can see, inspired from this look, which I think this one's a hit. I would definitely rock this for sure. Getting into the biker short looks. Black biker shorts, little sports bra. I guess I'll fold it up here. Got the beige fanny, got a little blazer. She had white socks on in the look, so okay. I don't know. I think I'm okay with it. Maybe I just don't like the blazer. This is another fun one. I actually like this. I would definitely rock this on like a cute little summer night maybe. It's very kind of edgy. Hers, I guess I probably could have put a shirt, like an off-the-shoulder top on underneath here to make it look more like that, but I don't know, I just didn't think about it really. But it was kind of like a vest-esque look with the biker shorts and the bum bag, but it was in beige, and I had all this in black only, so I just decided to make it that color. It's another cute and simple one. These are the wide leg pants, a fanny, and a little tank top. This was originally in pink from one of the previous drops, but I had it all in black, so let's try it in black. So this look was lime green originally, but here we are, back in black again. So I did not have a sheer shirt, so I made this one out of tights, and it turned out really cute. But you can pick up something like this, like just about anywhere online. I just did not have one, surprisingly, because I love sheer, but alas. Yeah, this one's a fatal. I don't think I like this. That's what I was going for. This is reality. I don't know about this one, guys. That was what I was going for. This is reality. Love this one. Okay, I think this is gonna be my last look, guys, because I think you kind of get the point at this point. But this is kind of a mix between two. This one, the iconic white icy parka jumpsuit, and then this one in beige. But I made it all in black because that's what I got. So this is really cute. I feel very chic. And we love her. This is adorable. Okay, now that I have officially made a whole mess of my room, my bed, all of that, that is the end of the video. I think you get the point. You can kind of have fun with it, use what you have. I very clearly have a lot of black. So anyway, like I said, hope you enjoyed. If you're interested in seeing more of me, click the subscribe button, give it a like if you liked it, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, let me know why. Have you picked up any Ivy Park? Are you going to pick up Ivy Park today? Did you get some if you're here after the launch? So let me know. Let's talk about it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.